What's going on, guys? You know this is Muscle from the Entertainment Report podcast, and I'm on special assignment. I'm recording from the 10th annual Welcome to Jamrock Cruise right here in the beautiful Miami. We are docked and we're about to take off. Listen, originally, the Welcome to Jamrock Cruise was supposed to stop in Jamaica, but because of Hurricane Melissa, we had to change route, and then now we're going to Mexico and then back to Miami. So I just want you guys to see what I see, so check it out just now. Okay, well, this is the first person that I've seen on the ship from my guy here leaving my room. This is the legendary DJ Rory. What's going on, boss?
First of all, this is you are the legendary person, all right? Let's
we are the legendary people.
Well, I don't know. I don't know about legend, but you know, we've been in the business for a while.
Yeah.
And the business has been good to us. It's had its ups and downs, as you know, but it's something we love to do.
100%.
Hence why we're here, you know. It's been a challenging Welcome to Jamrock 10th anniversary. Hats off to the promoters, you know, Damian, Stephen, Dan, the whole team behind the scenes, Tanya. There's so many people that makes this work. And I know this one, even though it's a special one, we know it's a challenging one, you know, so big up to the promoters. As you see, they got us here. They got Steelie out of Jamaica. Right. I left Steelie in Jamaica. I left him in Jamaica.
Before Melissa came.
Yeah.
I left him in Jamaica.
I had to run from Melissa.
Yeah.
I had to hide from Melissa. So, instantly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, again, hats off to the promoters. Of course, some of the acts that we're expecting to see based on, you know, visa restrictions, and they don't want to leave their loved ones. We have to understand, but they've replaced with an amazing lineup. So you're going to hear some names that you're not going to expect to see on the cruise. If you're your first time, enjoy yourself. And those that are watching this, book early for next year.
Okay, before I let you go, this is my first year on Jamrock.
Wow.
Right? First year. What should I be doing? What should I be seeing on Jamrock? Where should I go?
First and foremost, did you rest before you get here?
No.
No, you're dead like that.
Dead and not sure.
You're dead like that. Because once it starts, it doesn't stop. The show on the stage, after the show on the stage, there's something happening after the show. There's something happening after the after party. There's something happening in the morning when we go up on the top deck, when the sun's coming up and the beat and the Nabingi drums. Everybody's there, Steven's there, Damian's there, the people there. It's just an amazing cruise. And you feel like you know everybody. No one's gonna pass and not say hello. It's that type of vibes. What I love about it, I meet so many people that listens to me that I would never come in contact with them if it wasn't for this cruise. 100%. So I'm always excited to be here, man. And good to see you, man. I ain't seen you now. I can only see you when you're sitting down with people, you know? So it's good to see you on the cruise.
Thank you.
And enjoy yourself, and you're gonna get some great footage and some great interviews.
DJ Madout, what's going on, boss?
Yo, the sixth boss, up at the shift. Yo, I'm murder. You don't even know. It's a joy for Super Brother who really is really pushing the culture from Canada to all over the world. So it's a joy. So what's good, man?
Thank you. You know what? This is actually my first time on the ship, all right?
Yes.
What should I be doing on the ship? So my first time or even anybody else?
Do not sleep.
You're the second person that told me that, you know.
You lose.
Yeah.
I promise you. Because you're a person who loved the music, from the beat, from the treble and everything. Trust me, you do not want to miss. Go get your food, but don't fall asleep.
Don't sleep.
You can hold a 5, probably, surely in the morning, but don't fall asleep.
This is Spring of It! Alright, let's go! Yo! This one called Hallelujah. Yeah! Alright. Hey! Yes, Sonia! I look at new boy, I learn the same rhythm. Look at the black flag down there, I learn straight. I'll see rhythm. I'm practicing the second language, I'm feeling lyrics, alright? Who's in Gong prison? I want to know. Lay a shot at the big girl. When they blood clot and they bomb clot. They look this out. They blood clot and they bomb clot. Never kill them, bomb clot and lick it back in them. What they blood, once they blood clot and they bomb clot. Now can take the corner something now, eh? But we pop it up, boss and who's the team fly out and you can't clear out and watch out with nothing straight out and all that. You know what about the girls? Make some nice for the down. Yeah. Make some nice for the down. Show anytime. Alright, Mr. Bandsman, we can't come over this stage now.
Nothing about the life, you must have not been good to do that. Although the running slow, get to use a big jump, but we know where I first. Them say about the life, you must have not been good to do that. Foundation from birth. Although the running slow, get to use a big jump, but we know where I first. Well, we know we tough, we know we tough. Up in the blood and looking at you, know everywhere that you got the big guys a drug. You know the broad that the dog of them head into one. They said my love for people come down. About the love you must have been good to do that. All of the running slow, get to you to beat ya. But we know where I first. When them say about the love you must have been good to do that. All of the running slow, get to you to beat ya. If you know this one, let's sing along. It was done by Louie Culture alongside Mikey Spice. Rory Stonelove and Tarrus. Them they not the wrong concert. Geefuss. Don't you ever feel the street? That's where we eat our meat now. Don't you put up that pride and go rob another guy. Put your shoulders so weak. You'd hide the steeple. I'm one brother man. Give and helping and walk. I tell you last go. Only Papa she had the yard one chop down. Grab the last go. Whoa, yeah. Come again. Grab the last go. Listen, you will go ready for flower chop down. Grab it back down. There's a whole lot. My time. Come go glass on the sheen and cocoa. Go peacefully in a motor. I bet you don't know if this is been all true. Walk on that coffee great big daughter. Me love me for me so me don't some cassava. Papa love me so I am him go on. He'll get your baby from him great grandfather. I say when they come to push it on the water. So come later, grab the last number. Holy Papa she had the yard one chop down. Grab the last number. Whoa, yeah. Come again. the father. Listen, you when you're ready to go blow up Jack down. God the Father, it is all out of work to me. Whoa, yeah.
You know, invited to the Tarrus Riley experience. And greetings. Special request to all the nice and decent people. It's a pleasure to be here to be celebrating 10 years anniversary of the Welcome to Jamrock Cruise. If you're feeling alright, say why? Well, let me tell you this, family. It's no secret with the seriousness that's happening in Jamaica. We are here to have a good time, but before we have a good time, let's take 30 seconds and just think positive and pray for our family and friends in Jamaica. Just 30 seconds. Silence, please.
If you snooze, look like something on the road. Love's contagious, something on the road. Sweetest sickness, feeling inside of the know. Where you stand? Feeling inside of the know. Well, everybody says something on the road. Love's contagious, I don't need to be cured. Girl, I fill up my prescription. Feel like a new brother. You like my vitamin, you keep it coming. You're my medicine. When I need you so, I'm never letting you go. And when you love what I did, I couldn't do a thing about it. Well, listen now, me no office, no pharmacist, no. No one, no doctor come judge me, no. Oh, my God, so fill me up with all the love, so baby, lift me up. Hey, and I know it's real the way I feel. Something on the road. Love's contagious. Something on the road. Sweetest sickness, feeling inside. Oh, yes, you know I got your feeling inside. But something on the road. Well, love's contagious. Something on the road. Sweetest sickness, feeling inside. Yeah, we got your feeling inside. Yeah, sure. That's the best one I said. You know the vibes, already. Sure. Jamrock Cruise, sure. Pick up everyone from all over the world. Say yeah, oh. Say yeah, oh. Say yeah, oh. Say yeah, oh. Listen, it's never satisfied, no matter how hard
she goes and she beats. Can I hear the pretty ladies? Just to show how much you spend. And if I had it, then I would work to erase the hurt. I never did tormented by your gift. To find a virtue of some woman is not easy. Think about Jamaican proverbs never lie. You know, the one I never want you no get it. I get it, I want it. When want you no. But you say, I get it, I want it. So want it, I get it. Boy, just when you say I want it, I want it. What you say? I get it, I get it. You alright? Well listen. Hey there, what's wrong, woman? It looks like you're feeling down inside. Some man said they love you, I want to beat you. Me not like no man will beat up a man. Woman feel like loving. If you agree, put your hands like this. Well, I whip your beat you, and they don't want to take your clothes off. I'm loose on the street. I'd like to prostitute you. I'm not loving it for so let's start. Straight to them I take a fight. So if you're so pretty for your weird style, so cut it out. Yeah. If you love the man, say go on, sing it. This was getting started. Special request to everyone all over Virgin Islands, Bahamas, Trinidad, Tobago, St. Lucia, St. Martin, Kenya, worldwide affair. You know the words? Hey, we've been together for a while now, growing stronger every day. It feels so good and there is no doubt I will stay. Oh, when I see you now, we bring a sunrise and the flowers blooming. Springtime. When on my loving you can realize. I need everybody to push up their voice. Come on now, well I will stay with you. I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark clouds are by, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be alright. I will stay with you. Oh, there'll be a second day. Hopefully us together. Though it's all, it will remain. Yeah. Oh, in this life, we all know dreams they come. Yeah. And through the years, I know I will stay. And in the end we'll find a love so beautiful and divine. And we'll be lovers for a lifetime. Jamrock Cruise, that is your time. So when you say, I will stay with you. I will stay with you. When no one else is around. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be alright. I will stay with you. Yeah. Oh, I will stay. If you love my song, give me a round of applause, please. Thank you. If you love the vibe, say, go on, sing it. If you love the vibe, sing along. I will stay with you through the... Well, I will when no one else is. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be alright. with the Jamrock Cruise. One second, if you feel alright, so I watch you now. We're not shooting anyone. It's a musical shot. You want more music? Yesterday, woman, them and them baby, let's cruise away from here. Wait. Don't be confused, honey. The way is clear. And if you want it, you got it. This is not a one-night stand. This is the Jamrock Cruise. So let the music take your mind. Oh yeah, just release and you will find. When you say we're gonna fly away, glad you go my way. I love my special guest for the night. You alright? You ready, Nick? Go for it.
Let the bassline roll and catch. Me love how the rhythm just to talk. Never woman to rock. Give me a little wine shot. Let the bassline roll and catch. Double up that, double up that. All the time,
Hold on. Play softly. Late. I want them to know that you know the words. Play softly. Give them the lyrics here.
Oh, right, okay. Me love it, huh? Me love the juggling. I don't want foot man to die. So do no troubling. No one to make you face. No mean mugging. Good vibes and not a place. No one grudging. On top, so me no feel like this or me like this. I've been welcome. Oh yes, so right.
Well, hey DJ, can you play that song?
Set the mood for me to all a different.
And I'm loving how the music sounds.
Said the woman, them we are free. Hey, chimney, give me a little wine drop. Just a top, never woman to rock. Give me a little one drop. Let the bassline roll and catch. And then we'll double up that, full of that non-stop.
So you see, you got to pay attention. Because if you snooze, you lose. This is an international reggae festival on water. If you love the vibe, say, why? Yeah, man, it's a pleasure to be here. It's a blessing to be here. Once again, special request to everyone. You could have been anywhere in the world and you chose to be here with us. So we say love and respect. up Junior Gong. Big up Reggae Marley and all every Marley, Julian Marley, all of my family. Yeah. Big up everyone that put on the event and make it possible. Big brother Dan, big up yourself, stay strong. Yeah, man. Give yourself a round of applause, trust me. And then guess what now? Give my band a round of applause because they leave their family in Jamaica and out here playing with you. I want you. Listen. Life is a funny thing. Life is bittersweet. We are here to have a good time and celebrate life and love in music. Hush. And on the other side of the world, our families don't know what their fate was in store.
As we remember, Cockatoo. Here we go. Shakespeare. Please make some noise, remembering those that paved the way. And everyone you saw on the screen played their role in shaping the culture of our music, and of course a part of the 10th anniversary to welcome to Jamrock. Please make some noise, please, for welcome to Jamrock. So Rory Stonelove, you having the sound over there, man?
Madman around things now.
Can you turn on Rory's DJ equipment for me, please?
Around things now. Runway, runway, runway. Madman around things now.
Yes, they robbed I, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation. Won't you help to sing? Redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs.
Blood, shoot the bonfire.
when me tell them, I want them, I'ma tell them. See them, I'ma tell them on them. Well, if they're ready to work, now they're ready for the work. Ready for the work, now they're ready for the work, now they're gonna bring it up, I'm sorry. Want it. Got the place under the mountains coming. All of me got to wait till the next evening. Fire, come on. Watch out and make it come down. Make we come down. Watch out, make it come down. Make we come down. Never gonna do it when they say I rather come bush. Give them the mic, I will sit down. So them come and suck and so them come and say that they've done. Girl, come now, go for second down. Now go for the shot that I like a burning sun. When them a go do it when they say I rather come bush. Give them the mic, I will sit down. They say me shot that I say him a judge son. They say me shot that I man in conversation. Anyway, now let me come down. Let me come down, watch out. Let me come down. Let me come. Oh, let me come down. Let me stick let me sit down on the bar. Now look at food and gone back at Geefuss. You know I'm gonna talk about a party come last. I out to the show, and not here when the boss. Well, I'm not, fucking ass get fast. Come and glass out, everything I run fast. Hey, oh, we salute and make it general fast. Them say me sweet, like me out the glass. Them say me sticky, like stick on the grass. Make it up on the block. You can drop it off, so me come back, don't skate here off. Anywhere me fall, don't talk of me cup. Can't find a buckle with a fork. Can't find a buckle with a fork. Can't find a buckle with a cup. I tell you go representing me, never know. Who say me success, him and the Geefuss stuff. Looking deep up, big teeth up, come here, something love. Straight from my yourself, from out of New York. Live when me talk and talk of it. Anyway. Now let me come down, make me come down. Now let me come down, make me come. Now let me. But what them a go do with it? You me have to tell them break my wonder. The boy you tell you last train to gun hill. Him say last train to gun hill. Blood spill LC gun LC. Him say the last train to gun hill. Tell him say blood spill LC gun. LC gun, boy, I run. Hold. Watch out. Hold it. We still want to get the monitor up there on the range, you know. Put it on the hand. Look at them on there, make them go on. Spun me now. Run me through a basic spawner. Can't up here, man. Chin. I'm going to kill you. Special interest to all the man say, let me jump up. Dedicate to the man in there, you come and push up. I'm dedicated to yellow. Rig up. Check on Mr. Gap, because you come to my feet. And they will never wait on the other. What are you? So what about Marley picked me around there? Last time I see him, Black Survival LP. I smoke when I split him say. Prentice me then, Will as I'm going now, blood clad feel now. Don't worry them about him, other tune then, I'm here, 4 tune. Earlier, other one then, Black Survival. Him say, sure. I say, you talk about that. I don't want a girl and follow galore. You want? So Prentice, you want to smoke when I'm singing with me? What that? Last night in bound, a blood clad, so wanted to walk high in the sky like an astronaut from up north. Right, bumper and clad. Cali. We say Madout Interview, carry up in market. We say Madout Interview, Cali. Madout Interview. I don't just pull up alone here about some tight girl and lag with them like you.
Can't you not say I boss pull up a tune? I boss pull up a tune.
Reggae Television. A gangster, Bob Marley Rascal. And about this thing them from uptown, I hear them damn toughest gang around town. Let's hear out again with the girl them here. From 1919 on down. Gangster phenomenal one who can't run second. From Mr. Second, Mr. Captain, and you come to my shit out. Anyway, you go with a Viola and pull up. Listen, me shot you because you wealthy. You Indian mother be Cali, 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 Cali. Mother be Cali, 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 Cali. Mother be Cali, 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 Cali. Mother be Cali, she's a rip up your mouth. I want you from your one that should take in a mother. From your one that should take in a mother. From your one that should take in a mother. I don't want that woman in them mother. I don't want that woman in them mother. I don't want that woman in them. Last week gonna be Steelie off the job. This a week I come and Steelie off the job. Don't you see the cat on the she want me to go. Man wants a bit of your mother. They try. Tell your mother from the second your mother. Up up. Tell your mother from the second your mother. Up up. Tell your mother from the second your mother. Up up. Tell your mother from the second. It's it up and look it up and dog it up and got it up. I go down underneath her and I buy a cock up. Yes, I miss a cat, I say I come for around my job. When I come for around my show, I come for me cry. Mother Polly kick her in up in my me cry. Get your mother from me, say girl, your mother up up. Hey, your mother from me, say girl, your mother up up. Hey, your mother from me, say girl. Mother be Cali, 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 Cali. Mother be Cali, kick her in up in my kid. Mother be Cali, Cali, Cali. Big up the listen, Mr. Cat, because you're coming in on this. No use off of a chim in the work with switch. This a DJ, you can't short circuit. Anytime you see me skillful. Yes, and you think the time you know me off the rich. Up of it, me use me want me start to like this. Disrespect and I'm a machine them quick. Quick, 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 quick. Whether you're rough or you're tough or you're slick. Whether MED or whether slippery. Tell them it's a get around it like a matrix. What up Italy, 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 Italy. What up Italy, 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 Italy. I say what up Italy, Italy, Italy.
What's going on, guys? You know this is the conclusion of night one of the wicked 10-year anniversary of the Welcome to Jamrock Cruise happening right here. And trust me, let me tell you, this is the craziest thing I've ever experienced. If you've never been to Welcome to Jamrock, you definitely need to check it out. This is the conclusion of night one. We can't wait to see what's happening day two moving forward. So listen, you guys check it out, continue to follow us, and you see everything happening right here.